The SEC is on the verge of approving a Bitcoin ETF, exchange traded fund. And many of you are familiar with that. Many retail investors in the United States invest in ETFs. They know what they are, and they have a comfort level with them. The problem is the Bitcoin ETF is going to reflect the price of Bitcoin in what's called the spot market. That's where the actual trading of Bitcoin supposedly takes place. But what they're not going to tell you is that the spot market is full of fraud and manipulation. There's tremendous volatility in the Bitcoin spot market. Much of it appears to be due to a bunch of insiders doing a bunch of trading that causes the price to go up and down, creating the appearance of a market more than the reality of a market. And that's because at the end of the day, Bitcoin, like the rest of crypto, is largely a cesspool of speculators, gamblers, predators, and fraudsters. That's why crypto is the financial product of choice for criminals around the world. That's why Sam Bankman-Fried is currently in prison awaiting sentencing. That's why the CEO, the former CEO of Binance, is going to be sentenced in a few weeks. And that's why you've read about so many crypto firm collapses and bankruptcies and massive investor and customer losses over the last 2 years. Now that's not all Bitcoin, and all of crypto is not Bitcoin, but the Bitcoin markets are rife with fraud and manipulation. The SEC should actually reject this application. We don't think they're going to, because they're under enormous pressure from the Bitcoin industry and frankly too many players in traditional finance, and that's because the predatory profits in crypto are enormous. And we think the SEC should be prioritizing the public interest, put the interest of Main Street and retail investors and those savings for retirement ahead of the predatory profits of the crypto industry.